Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Misha. I own a business called Digital Improvements for Offices, DO for short, and I basically help people who want to learn how to earn an income from home, learn how to improve enhance their skills in the freelancing industry and things like that. So today, what I want to talk about is this platform right here, SproutGigs. And basically what it is it's a freelancing platform that allows you to earn an income from home, presenting services that you provide to people who are out there looking for them. It can be a wide range of services from social media to PDF files. It could be, blogging, anything you can think of that you provide, any skill you have, you can present it, set your price. Anybody who's interested in it can purchase it from you, and then once you provide it, you get paid for it. But for those of you who just don't quite know what service you want to provide and don't really know what you want to present as a service, there is an opportunity still for you to earn an income on this platform. And that's what I'm going to go over for you right now. So after you click here to get started and fill out the form to create your account, your account is going to look like this. I already have one created for you. So this is the opportunity that I mentioned. If you don't have a gig as a freelancer that you want to present, it's called micro jobs. So the way that you get to it is if you come up here to the top and select micro jobs and hit find jobs, it's going to open up this page right here. So basically, for those of you who don't know, micro jobs is where employers or just people who have a task that need to get done put it up here, and they need a wide variety of people to complete it for them, and they set their price, so anybody who completes it gets paid that price to complete it for them, and then once they have this set number of people that complete it, that task closes down. It's not available anymore, so you want to make sure that you jump on it before it closes out and you get paid for it. Okay, so one example like this one is up at the top because it's pretty popular and it pays a high amount. So downloading a PDF file, they need 67 people to complete it. 63 people have already completed it. So you want to jump on that opportunity before it closes down. If you download the PDF file that they need, you would get paid $4.35 for it, okay? So that's one example. And if you scroll down, you will see several other examples of tasks that you can complete, the number of people who have completed it, and whether or not it's closed down or not, and then the price that you would get paid once you complete that. And as you can see, if you keep scrolling and scrolling, it just goes on and on and on. There are several different tasks that you can complete. Now, the recommendation that I give is, let me zoom in here so you can see, set it to international, because then you can see more tasks. And international means that that task is available for anybody all over the world to complete. If you want, tasks available specific to your country, you can set it. You just come up here to the top where it says location, and you can set your country to whatever country you want and things like that, and then select apply, and it's going to show you the task applicable to your country that you set. But it'll limit the task to your country, and some countries do not have tasks listed specific to the country and the geography and things like that. It might only be listed under international, so you're limiting yourself by doing that in some cases depending on where you live. That's why I said leave it on international, so that way you can get the most, you can see all the tasks available, and you can just keep earning and earning and earning. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Another way to reach me is by joining my Facebook group right here, Find Jobs Online. I'm going to have the link to this group in the description as well. I'm also going to have the link to be able to sign up to SproutGigs in the description of this video as well. But if you join this group, the benefit of it is I post other opportunities for jobs. As you can see, I posted one here, easy money. I help people with English as well. That's because some jobs, have some language requirements and stuff. So I help people with that. I help people with resumes. So Joining this group, you learn about other job opportunities, ways to enhance your skills. I provide training on how to own businesses and, enhance freelancing skills, things like that that are going to help you earn money. So make sure that you join my group and you stay active and you're actually clicking on links. You see how this image is clickable? Make sure you're actually clicking on my images, clicking on my links to get the benefits of the things that I post, okay? Otherwise, you're going to be missing out on some great opportunities. So, yeah, if you have any questions, like I said, comment down below on this video, like and subscribe this video so that way you can see future videos that I post that are going to help you. Join my Facebook group, get active, stay active, click on the links that I post, make sure that you do not miss out on future opportunities, because these are the things that are going to help you earn in the future, okay? So yeah, I look forward to working with you all. I hope that you all found this helpful. I know you guys will succeed with my help if you just, take my advice, continue pushing, moving forward. You are going to succeed. So with that being said, stay safe, everybody. Take care.